Guru Nation, how is it going? Quick video I wanted to do for you guys and gals today. It's regarding careers in this industry. I'm getting the same themes constantly, and I know I've done videos on all of this before, but it's always like a new take on it, a fresh perspective, slightly different context. So first one I want to get to is an email I received from a foreign trained physician. I don't recall what country, but it doesn't matter. And he's moving to the United States and wants to know, he seems to be insisting that he could be a medical monitor. And from all my experiences in this industry, I have never seen a non-MD or DO, which is Doctor of Osteopathy, individual allowed to be a medical monitor for a sponsor. I don't think there's any regulations in regards to this from the FDA, but it never happens. It's so rare, I've never seen it. If it happens at all, I haven't seen it in 13 years. So for you, if you're a physician, foreign trained physician moving to the United States, your best bet is CRA. And you're unlikely to actually get hired as a CRA without any research experience. So these are also people, I should add this to the context, these are also people who don't have research experience but want to get in. So your best bet really at that point is study coordinator. Do that for a year or two. With your background, you should be able to get a study coordinator position, because one of the things that every research clinic needs is more medical expertise. Whether you have a license here or a license in India for medicine, your knowledge provides value to that clinic, and you're adding some support to the staff that's there. Okay, because one of the biggest things in research, one of the biggest issues is lack of MD oversight, and you're not making up for the lack of MD oversight, but you are supplementing your knowledge with the oversight that already exists at that clinic. So your chances are much better to go for a study coordinator position and then CRA position. And unfortunately, you could never be a medical monitor, at least not today in 2018 in this country. Neither can you be a PI. So same principle here. You're a principal investigator. You don't see that. Okay, foreign trained physician does not qualify to be a PI. The next question was from somebody, and I've been getting these from a lot of people actually. It's how do they get started? They have no research experience, they want to be a CRA. How do they get started? And just like my previous answer, it's study coordinator. And if you can't get in as a study coordinator, get in as a research assistant somewhere. And if you can't get in as a research assistant somewhere, get in there as a patient recruiter somewhere. And if you can't get in there as a patient recruiter, which by the way, you should, if you're not, that means you're not applying to enough places, because every single research clinic that I know of has issues recruiting patients for any particular studies. Right? They may not have problems with all their studies, but there's always, at every single clinic, at least one study that they're having issues recruiting for. Who wouldn't want to hire a patient recruiter? They're paying you commission only. And once you prove your worth there, you have to actually get good at recruitment. You have to go out and network, meet with physicians, get referrals. We've done a whole webinar on this, so that's for another video, but patient recruitment. Also intern. Just go in there and intern it. And don't intern from the perspective of, I need this and I want to intern here because I want to get experience. What you got to do is flip it. What do they want? What does the clinic need? Put yourself in their position. Why would you, even if it's unpaid, why would you let you intern there? Let's say you pretend like you have an established clinic. Why would you waste your time and let you intern there? All right, that sounds like a lot of work. So and every clinic's different. Some clinics need different things. This is where you got to do your homework. You got to be a good listener. You got to just interview with as many places as possible. And that's, I guess, another theme is more. If you're having problems, it means you're not doing enough. More than likely, that's the case. So hopefully this helps. I'm going to do a podcast today as well for random musings from the Clinical Trials Guru, but just wanted to share that with you, and hopefully you guys have a great week. It's a short week. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.